Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. In today's video, if you guys saw by the title, it is sponsored by Lasfit. We got some new floor mats and a trunk mat to put in the Camry, but I cannot wait to install these stuff because these floor mats are amazing. Literally, if you spill anything or if you try to get in the car, you won't slip or nothing like that. If you get in the car with your shoes are dirty or whatever it is, it's so easy to clean. You don't have to worry about any crumbs or whatever. Even if it gets in, you can vacuum it easily. It won't get stuck to the floor mat. Or if you want, you could just literally just take it out and just shake it and it'll all come off. But let me show you guys what everything looks like when you order it. But they do have, floor mats like I'm showing in this video for the Camry. But I think they have a bunch of other makes and models if you guys want to check their website out. I believe they're on TikTok Shop as well. But if you guys want to go take a look at the website. But shout out to them for making this video possible. And let's show you guys what they look like. The one thing that I love about these floor mats that makes it different than anything else is look at the design, as well as look at this piece right here. This piece is for the back seat middle, which for those that own a HN Camry, you guys know that it does not come with anything like a carpet mat or nothing to cover that. So this is perfect. I won't have to deal with anybody stepping there, whatever. Any footprints, whatever it is, then there definitely won't be any of them. I went ahead and spilled some crumbs and stuff on the floor mat just so if you guys could see, just test them out. But literally when I get in the car, you don't slip at all. It's perfect fit. As you guys see, it's that little thing you rest your foot on as well. But look at the design. Shout out to Lasfit for making this possible. If you guys want to go hit them up or go check out the website, they might have it for your car. But this will be for my HN Camry. Let's go put it on and show you guys what it looks like. Let's show you guys what the interior looks like without having the Lasfit floor mats. If you get a Camry, you're going to have these rugs. It literally took me so long to clean these and they're still not even clean. As you guys see, there's still crumbs. This middle part right here doesn't have anything covering it, so it's so hard to clean this, along with this part right here. And let's show you guys the fronts. And obviously the front seat's the same thing, has a Camry sign right there. But we're gonna go ahead and put these floor mats on top of these just to have extra protection. But I think Lasfit will do the job by itself. But we're just gonna put on, too lazy to take these out. I don't know where I'm gonna put them. There's no space in my house. But we're gonna put it on top and let's get straight to it. All right, let's just throw this thing in there. Pretty simple install. Look at it. It's a little bit cold, but I can just fix it. Perfect fit. Look at this thing. No crumbs, anything you put your feet on it, whatever it is. All right, so you put this bad boy in here. Take a look at this perfect fitment. Literally you could literally put it in here easily, push it down a little bit. But yeah, man, your feet will not, any footprints, whatever it is you got, this thing's amazing. Listen, if you guys don't trust me, literally go buy it for yourself and go test it out. But this thing is amazing. I can tell you guys, these floor mats have made it so much easier for me to clean anything. We're gonna go ahead and do this middle piece first in the back. So when we put the other two Lasfit ones on the sides, it will hold it down a little bit. But literally, just throw it down. Hold on, guys. Put this right here. You can slide this behind, boom. Slide this one, and literally perfect fit. I'm just gonna slide it under a little bit under the OEM carpets just so we can get a good fitment. But look how easy that is. Now this piece has protection. It's literally perfect with this panel right here. No crumbs, nothing. But yeah, man, take a look at this interior. You literally got a Starlight headliner, full red interior. This thing looks amazing. But yeah, man, back to what we're doing. We put this piece here and let's go put the back two pieces. All right, this is the back left. Literally just throw it down. Obviously I put the front seat all the way up, but literally just put it down and it's that easy. Make sure it fits with the seat and boom. Let's pull it up a little bit. And yeah, tucks in perfectly, looks normal. And let's go ahead and do this side. They just throw it down. It goes perfect. And yeah, guys, obviously these little things are gonna get used to the car, so just let it sit for a little bit. But don't mind this wiring. We just installed a dash cam. But yeah, look at the rear now. This is never gonna get dirty ever. Let's do a little example. Let me go step my foot in something and put it on there and just see how easy it is to clean. So we got this, whatever this is. We're gonna step in it. I'm not gonna walk on this foot. Let's step on the mat. So we're gonna step on the mat. All right, so you guys saw how, I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see a little footprint, but literally, now it's gone. It's literally, you can use your finger, but literally you take this off, pressure wash it, or literally put some water on it, whatever you wanna do, or just take it out and clean it with a rag or a towel, whatever you want, and it's literally perfect. Literally, I'm gonna wipe my feet all over it again. You can see all this stuff right here. Literally comes off with the wipe of a finger. This thing is amazing. If you guys want to believe me, literally go cop it for yourself. But this floor mat is amazing. It feels amazing. Literally, your foot will not slip at all unless you obviously force it to. But it's pretty comfortable too, and it is amazing. It's definitely one of the best upgrades done to my interior, other than the star lights and ambient lighting, of course. You guys saw me put the Lasfit mats over the OEM ones, but obviously for the driver's side, we can't do that since it comes with these 2 locks. So let's go put it in and show you guys. So obviously it's the same thing. Just throw this bad boy in. Make sure it goes under the pedals. And yeah, if you have a Camry, you got these locks. I don't know if any of the cars come with this, but we lock it in place. And boom, they're both locked. That's how it looks. Sorry if it got a little bit dirty because I was testing it on my feet and everything. But yeah, man, this thing looks amazing. It's such easy installation. As always, shout out to Lasfit for making this video possible. The car interior is much better. I'm gonna clean it way better. And you guys know every car guy details their car. So now it's gonna be much easier for me to detail it or clean the interior. But yeah, shout out to Lasfit. I'm gonna leave the link to the floor mats in the description of this video. And yeah, man, shout out to Lasfit. If you guys enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see me do next. We love you all. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.